In this same video today, guys, I am going to teach you how to, make some popcorn. So here we go. Let's do this. Alright. Do this. Take popcorn. Corn, yeah. Take this. Popcorn, yeah. Corn, yeah. It's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. Okay. Take your, popcorn first. I'm going to, stick it in and to the microwave. My microwave. Close it and hit the popcorn and see where it says, popcorn, corn. Here we go. Let's try this again. Corn button. Here we go. It's 9:45. Why that popped? Alright, press the popcorn button. So it's going to take a minute to get the pot all the way. So let that pop. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab me a popcorn bowl. I'll go grab this. I hear popcorn popping. Well, listen. Can you, hear it? Hear it? Can you hear it? Excellent, guys, and that is popcorn. Yeah. Hi, Star. What's up, cat? It's easy. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn. So we're done popping now. Let's see. There we go. All done popping. So, close off the door and the microwave. Gonna give it a shake. So now, popcorn in a bowl. Okay. I pop the camera now. So, what you want to do is be careful with the bag. Oh, take a look at that. Look at that, guys. Corn, yeah. See how clean it is. Yeah, it's clean, see? Put on a bowl. And follow two. And there you go. And that's how you, microwave popcorn. So, ooh, I just want some popcorn on time. But d- don't forget, remind me to pop me some popcorn before, after, before, after somebody's snack on. Thanks for watching.